We want to be free to ride our machines without being hassled by the man.
So I don't know if you've ever seen a inside of a Variac before. I bought this some time ago. I haven't used it yet, but look at this. Look at these splayed wires. I don't know if you can see this. There it is. There's solder blobs. And yeah, check this out here. Look at that piece of wire there. This is barely stuck on. I'm going to redo this one wire right here, but that's about it. Yeah, nice Chinese manufacturing. This is a 1000 kVA unit, and it's about 8 amps. I got the 8 amp instead of the 4 amp simply because it's there we go. It's gotten a little dusty inside since I had it open. There's that. There's the rotor. This goes up here like this. Once I find the screws for it again. This 8 amp only cost about the same, maybe a little bit more than the 4 amp at the time. So I went ahead and got it. But the thing is, you don't necessarily need 8 amp Variac. You can use a 4 amp. It's cheaper. This is a little more. This is heavier, a little more cumbersome. So it has the advantage of being bigger, but also fatter and heavier. Yeah. So we'll get this wire taken care of, and we'll see how it works out. Yeah. Where's that wire at? I can't find anything. Yeah, look at this wire. That's great. Yeah. I gotta trim it. Redo the whole thing. Okay. Yeah, I didn't notice this before, but I don't know if you can see this, but this thing's got a couple. Can't see it like that, that's for sure. It's got a couple wires sticking out there. I could short over to this other terminal. Also down in here, it's got, come on. It's got the same thing, couple wires sticking out, strands. That's pretty bad. Okay, I've trimmed that wire and restripped it, put it in properly, trimmed off these little strands that were hanging out. Yeah, trimmed off the strands that were hanging out down here. This is pretty bad. It's all splayed out and splotted. Where's the fuse at? Over here. It's laying there. Yeah, wonderful. Wonderful workmanship. And that's what you get. So beware. rough. Alright. So here it is all back together. I managed to find the screws, each in a separate spot. And there it is. So now we can vary the AC. So along with the Variac, I thought I'd show you this, because when I first bought this meter right here, I thought that I would connect it, up here on the Variac. But I actually caught a clue from old Trevor and realized that if I put it in, this is just an old project box I had laying around, and in, on, off switch, out, put it in here. Now it's separate from the Variac. I can use it on its own, or I can use it in tandem with the Variac. And I just plug this in, turn on, and there you got your regular stuff: 120 volts, 60 hertz, power factor correction, current, kilowatt hours, watts. What's up with you? What's up? Okay. So having this as a separate item, I can put the dim bulb, Variac, this, all in series, however I wish to use them or not. Yeah. It's pretty nice having this old box laying around I could use. You see it's had some other applications in the past. Yeah. Worked out pretty well. Turn it off. Boom. Okay. So speaking of the dim bulb, here's my crazy concoction. An AC inlet. Alright. This outlet. Bulb, of course, is in series with the outlet. And just kind of wired up with, I don't know, probably a 16 gauge Romex or something. Yeah. Some kind of crazy non-conductive foam. Yeah. So, pretty simple. Plug the Variac in here. Oops. And go from there to here. There to here. Come out of here with a amp or whatever. It's a dim bulb. Duh.